Hello everyone, this is Vernon Lee and I do appreciate you coming to my channel and spending a few minutes with me right now. I don't have a lot of videos on my channel right now, so I'm hesitant to start with anything that may come off as being negative because let's be real, my channel is all about taking action and getting it going, getting it done. But it's a really big subject right now and it's pretty much being looked at as negative. So I want to talk about the Amazon affiliate commission cuts. Okay. If you're an experienced marketer, this video is not going to do anything to help you. If you're starting out or still on the new side, or maybe you're thinking of getting started and taking action, don't let that slow you down, and I'm going to explain to you why. I'm going to give you my overall perspective on this as someone that's done it for a long time, and I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do to help minimize the negative impact this could have on your finances as far as an Amazon affiliate. Okay, now one of the first things, Amazon is a fantastic place to get your feet wet, if you will. If you're just starting out, it's hard to beat Amazon. It's still one of the easiest programs to get into. I started in 2008. It was real easy then, but it's still one of the easiest. And it's very, what you would call, low-hanging fruit. When you start out, if you set things up correctly and you start making sales, especially in the beginning, you'll be surprised how many of your sales will be totally different than the product that you were selling or promoting. Okay? That's just how Amazon is. It's a great site. Once they get their wallet out, you don't know what they're going to buy, but they tend to buy. So that's another reason their commissions are a lot lower than a lot of other sites. With that in perspective, a lot of experienced marketers, there are some that make a ton of money as Amazon affiliate marketers. There's a whole lot of them also, however, that are more on the digital product side, if you will, because they don't feel like Amazon commission scale. They think it sucks, basically. Okay, and that's a better thing for you, especially if you're just starting out. That's that many less people you have to compete against. All right, so I mean, let's be real here. Another thing I want you to understand, and this gets into the first thing you can do if you're not doing it to minimize the impact this can have on your business. If you, once again, if you haven't done this very long, or you are just getting started, or you're about to take the leap, like I said, don't let that bother you. But there is one primary and most important thing I would recommend, and that is get the lead, get the email address. That's where your real goal should be anyway. An experienced an experienced internet marketer in anywhere will already know they want that email first and the sales second. It's very important to remember that. If you're starting out and you have not heard the term, the money's in the list, you need to learn it, live it, and love it, because that's the truth. That's the big mistake I made when I started out, because I didn't have a mentor, so I had no idea. Oh, I knew how to slap the stuff together, and I made some good sales. I lost out on, I don't even like to think how much money I lost out because I didn't get the emails. So that is your most important thing. When you set up your funnel, your website, or whatever you're using to make your sales, try to always get that email first. Your email should be your first goal. The sale should be second. The money's in your list. Now, number 2, upsells, suggestive sales. Just like at the Walmart, there's a reason they have all that cheaper stuff right there at the checkout. There's a reason a good restaurant will recommend, do you want large fries with that instead of small? Okay, upsell, it's where the money's at. They're already pulling their wallet out, right? That's when you're going to get the money. It's simple math, okay? So let's say you're promoting a barbecuer. Well, you could also promote a barbecue cover, right? You might be able to promote some cooking utensils as well. Don't forget to mention, stuff like that. Okay, so real easy, a little extra work, a lot of extra sales. Now, the third one, it kind of goes along with number 2 a little bit, and that is if you can incorporate any digital products into your sales stream or your sales funnel, that's usually excellent returns as well. In other words, we were talking about a barbecue or so. Maybe if you could even easily create Uncle Joe's barbecue recipes and just give it away. Or you could sell it. You could do both. That's up to you. But excellent way. If you sold it, you would get all the commissions, right? So if you are promoting anything that has any digital products that are quality that you would buy, maybe you should incorporate them into your sales funnel or your sales stream. However you've got it set up, I hope you have a sales funnel. If not, I would get to work on that first. So like I said, get the email. Okay, email first, sale comes second. That's very important. Number 2, upsell related products, suggestive sales. If you're selling a barbecuer or promoting a barbecuer, try to sell them a barbecue cover. Try to sell them some charcoal. Try and sell them some cooking utensils. Yeah, I'm all about barbecue. Yeah. Anyway, once you do that, if you can incorporate digital products have excellent commission structures because once they're created, that's it. So that's a really good way. And also, that's another video, but once you get more advanced, I would highly recommend you focus more on the digital sales. Right now, get started, get them going. Don't let this Amazon pay cut, don't let that negatively affect you in any way, because you know what? It's just a small hurdle. If you're doing the work, you're getting off your butt, putting it in every day, it's not going to have a minimum effect on you. I promise. Get her done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like and subscribe. If not, let me know what you didn't like. Let me know what you'd like to see, and we'll get it in there for you if we can. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care.